Right now, new rules are in effect at the southern border for asylum seekers following the end of Title 42.
But it is not just border cities bracing for migrants. States as far as New York fear they don't have enough resources. Our D.C. Bureau Chief Ben Kennedy live in Washington with the latest.
Nicole and Calvin, the White House said that surge you were talking about was not as drastic as expected. But that being said, Border Patrol says they are ready if things do happen to pick up this weekend.
So reaction to
President Biden in the Oval Office Friday. It's there he faced questions about the border after Title 42 expired overnight. It allowed the country to turn migrants away, citing concerns over COVID-19, as the White House received pushback Friday about the new policy put in place. South Florida Representative Carlos Jimenez tweeted, "We had a crisis at our southern border. Today, that crisis became a complete catastrophe."
I wrote a letter to President Biden demonstrating and demanding that he declare a national state of emergency due to this immigration crisis.
The new rule makes it harder to claim asylum. First, migrants will be required to have applied for and been denied asylum in a different country before turning to the U.S.
And if they do not have a basis to remain, we will remove them very swiftly.
In that removal could also include a 5-year ban from the U.S., which is now facing legal challenges from the ACLU and other immigration advocate groups. A federal judge also temporarily blocked parts of the Biden administration's new plan, barring agencies from releasing migrants before they've been given a notice to appear in court. It comes as a migrant child died in U.S. custody this week while at a shelter in Safety Harbor, Florida. HHS released a statement in part that they are reviewing all clinical details of this case, including all inpatient healthcare records. A medical examiner investigation is underway.
Our hearts go out to the family members. It is a devastating news and incredibly saddened.
And at this point, an estimated 10,000 migrants are crossing the border every day. Reporting live in Washington, D.C., Ben Kennedy, Local 10 News.
What a staggering number. Ben, thanks a lot. Still to come tonight.